Hey YouTube, A Maze here, back again with another video. Welcome to our channel and thank you for watching. So look guys, what are we talking about today? We're talking about when your mind feels busy to the point where you're like, I'm gonna lose it. Trust me, I'm happy overall, but I feel that way at times. More times than I would like, okay? So I got tips for you. The first thing is go into meditation, but do a meditation on something. You know how normally you would meditate and then you want to quiet your mind? That's great. You're getting in tune with your inner being doing that. Now, more things you can do. Go into meditation and focus on breaking the barriers of your mind. Okay? What does that mean? What I did was I sat and meditated. And I meditated on the idea of, I can do this. I can think beyond the circle of thought that I am in. And that's what I focused on, okay? We can choose. We can choose the vibration, the frequency that we are on at any time, okay? It seemed impossible living on this earthly plane. However, we have heavenly power within us, and we tap into it. You find ways to do it that work for you. But the main idea is to say to yourself, I want to break free of my circle of thought. I want to go beyond my own personal barriers. Okay? You find a statement, a mantra, affirmation that is home to you. But what I'm telling you is just an example. It's the idea. It's the thing you want to do. You want to break free from your own self. You want to get out of your own way. You go into meditation and you say things and you focus on the idea. You focus on the vision of getting out of your own way. Getting out of believing you have to stay in this thought process. Free yourself. Go into meditation and say, I am in charge of freeing myself. I will free myself from this circle of thought. Or you can say, this is the person that I am now. And then you focus on the person that you'd rather be. The thoughts you'd rather have. Now you do it over and over until you feel it. You may not at first, or you may. We're all different. But it matters not how many times you do it. You will feel it because your inner being is already that. Your inner being is already doing, having, and being everything that you desire. Even things you don't even know that you should desire or want to. Whatever frees you, okay? Your inner being has that. Getting in tune. Get in tune. And then once you get in tune, focus on a concept that breaks you free from your circle of thought. That's what I do. And miraculous things will happen. You never know. You might do that and then an hour later you might get a phone call of some good news, or you might get a draw of creative inspiration. Something will occur. The universe is always listening to you even when you don't even think so. Because to be honest guys, sometimes I don't even think so, but I get snapped back into reality. I get an answer. And you will too, okay, friends? That's basically it. I'm here to remind you that you don't have to be stuck in your own head. You don't have to be. You can free yourself at any given moment once you're tired of it and you decide you're ready. It'll take work, it'll take patience, but you can break free. Go into meditation and focus on breaking free. Say to yourself over and over again, I will free myself from this circle of thought. Do it. And I promise you, you'll be free. And then once you do that and you're comfortable with those ideas, the next thing you do is take actions that are out of the ordinary for you. Something healthy, of course. We're not about manipulation or hurting people or involving others. This is about self-development and growth, okay? So after you've focused on these concepts of breaking free, take action on it. Make a conscious decision to do something. And then keep doing it. The momentum will grow. Okay, it'll be a little uncomfortable in the beginning, of course. Everything is, because it's new. But you build a momentum, okay? That's energy. You create new energy. All right? And yes, energy can be created. You know, they like to tell you it can't be created or destroyed, but just think for yourself about that. You just think about it. You create things all the time, and all of that's energy, right? Where did it come from? You do the thinking on your own. All right, guys. Bye for now.